Ang mga ganap sa birthday celebration ni Santino Santiago, ang anak ni Claudine at Remart Santiago.
Hey, birthday song ever. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
17 taon na si Santino, binata na ito, pero medyo pa rin mahiyain.
Oh, yung mas masaya naman! Happy birthday to you!
Bongga naman ang birthday party ni Santino. Marami itong bisita.
Alright, well, Clau and Santino, they say that when it's your birthday, your wish really do come true. So make a wish, and when you're ready, you may blow the candle on your cake.
Nag-wish naman si Santino at nag-blow candle sa harap ng kanyang mami Claudine.
On your cake. Alright, come on. Palapit kayo mga kaibigan, Santino at 17! And Clau, of course, you want to hear from you.
At simple lang ang birthday cake ni Santino. Nagpa-thank you naman ito sa kanyang mga bisita.
Thank you.
In Chinese.
Nagbigay naman ng birthday wish message ang kanyang mami Claudine.
Santino, now that he's 17.
I wish we'd spend more time with Mom, and that you know that you can always talk to Mommy, and I'm always gonna be here for you.
Ayon kay Claudine, first time ito ni Santino na gustong may birthday party.
This is the first time he really wanted a party. So thank you. It really means the world to me. Happy birthday, Santino. It's my birthday today, but it's not all about.
Nag-picture taking naman si Santino kasama ang kanyang mga kaibigan. Nadala-dala niya ang kanyang papi.
You may now proceed to the buffet table, get your food, and go back to your seats. Next group, please.
Marami namang kamag-anak ni Claudine at kaibigan ang dumalo sa party. Bising-busy din si Miss Claudine sa pag-entertain ng kanyang mga bisita. Bongga rin ang pagkain sa birthday party. Dumalo din ang mami ni Claudine at ang kanyang brother.